A, comma B and C enter into partnership with capitals of 25,000, 30,000 and 15,000 respectively. A is the working partner and he gets 30% of profit for managing the business. The balance profit is distributed in proportion to the capital investment. At the year end, A gets 200 rupees more than B and C together. Find the total profit and the share of each. There are three people A, B, C, and their investments are respectively 25,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Time periods are same because all of them entered at same time, and the shared profits at the year end. So times need not be mentioned. So A, B, C profits will be distributed in this ratio, and you can further simplify these terms. 25,000, 30,000, 15,000. 5 times 25, 5 6 times 30, 5 3 times 15. So this should be the profit sharing ratio. And given A is the working partner and he gets 30% of the profit for managing the business. Here A is a working partner, so A will be given some part of the profit as salary. For example, if total profit is 100%, A will be given 30% of profit for managing business. Let us say A is getting 30% of profit as salary. If 30% is given as salary, the net profit is only 70%. So that should be distributed to A, B, C in the ratio 5:6:3. See here, total 5 plus 6, 11 plus 3, 14 parts of profit is 70%. If 14 parts equal to 70%, each part is equal to 5%. So in the ratio, each part represents 5% profit. So A should get 5 parts, 5 into 5, 25%. B should get 6 into 5, 30%. And C should get 3 into 5, 15%, totally 17% as profits. In addition to profit, A is getting 30% salary also. So A is getting additional 30%. Now, the remaining part of the problem. The balance profit is distributed in proportion to their capital investment. At the year end, A gets 200 rupees more than B and C together. Given A is getting 55%, which is 200 more than B and C together. And here A is getting 55%, B and C are getting 45%. Difference between A and B, C is 10%. A is getting 10% more than B and C together, that is given as 200 rupees. If 10% is 200 rupees, we need total profit. Total profit is 100%. Find this value. And we need share of each person. A is getting 55% and B is getting 30% and C is getting 15%. You need to find these values. And you know, if 10% is 200, each percent is 20 rupees. 10 into 20, 100 into 20, 2000 rupees is the total profit. A will be getting 55 into 20, 1100. B is getting 30 into 20, 600 rupees. C is getting 15 into 20, 300 rupees. So these are the profits of each person, and total profit is 2000 rupees. Okay.